के सामने नक्शा क्लियर होना चाहिए। कौन टेररिस्ट है, कौन मानवतावादी है, कौन टेररिस्ट के साथ खड़ा है, कौन मानवता के साथ खड़ा है, ये विश्व में तय हो जाना चाहिए। देखिए, अभी तक यूनाइटेड नेशन टेररिज्म की डेफिनेशन नहीं कर पाया। 21वीं सदी हिंदुस्तान की सदी है, ये आज दुनिया मानने लग गई है।
Even as Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in the midst of a diplomatic push in the United States, a massive political fight has broken back home, with the Congress accusing Narendra Modi of alienating the support of Russia for a permanent seat in the UN Security Council.
Russia is no more enthusiastic. Russia has made it clear there is no question of any country getting any veto power. United States of America, despite the joint statements and what was said here and in the last visit, has been ambivalent.
A joint statement is a definitive position that a government takes on any issue. And therefore, if the United States has committed itself in a joint statement on the UNSC, it is a very positive step forward.
बहुत से देश हैं, उनको पता नहीं है पैसे कहां लगाएं। मैं उनको एड्रेस दे रहा हूं कि हियर इज द प्लेस।
Despite Prime Minister Narendra Modi's repeated attempts and claims that whatever he does on foreign soil is only to push the Indian economy, whether it's about Digital India or the San Jose Big SAP event, the Congress, the opposition, is taking on him, making it very clear that it's all about his self-promotion and not that of the Indian economy.
कोई और देश का प्रधानमंत्री, राष्ट्रपति ऐसा अपना प्रोजेक्शन नहीं करते जो श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी करते हैं।
You can't bear the thought that people might be willing to come or want to come or desire to come to the Prime Minister's meeting.
पूरे ब्रिक्स में अगर दमखम के साथ कोई खड़ा है तो आई खड़ा है।
Even as the Congress is crying foul, Narendra Modi claims that his government and India have gained plenty of political ground, especially with the G-Force push for a permanent seat in the UN Security Council. With Aishwarya and Natasha, this is Anand Narasimhan in New York City for Times Now.